Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. Today we talk about this imitation 2017 A imitation technique in trio sonata. First of all, the music start with a minor, and because there are no key signature, and it start with A minor chord, ACE. Okay, so you know this is A minor, and all these are already done, and you can see that this A minor actually end here because there's an E count 7 steps, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. 7 step you get D. So very obvious, this is more like a 5-7 uh, E, G, B, D. And then this one come to chord 1, A, C, E. So this is chord 1. Meaning your A minor has probably end in this bar because this one is A, C, E chord. This continue to be A, C, E chord 1. So there's a 5-1 cadence, perfect cadence. Now, this is a A, this is a C. So you can add the note E over here. Next, there is a D here. D how 7 step is a C. So starting from here, you probably mod it to a C major because you don't see G sharp in next bar. Okay, so if the leading note of A minor is not raised, meaning it already modulate to C major, no key signature. So you have D and C. So this is a D, F, A, C, which is a chord 2-7 root position. It's a root position chord. Okay, so after naming the notes, you write down the chords. G, this is a G, 7 step is F. So this is a G, B, D, F, which is the chord 5-7 of C major. Next one, there is a C and 7 step is B. So this is a C, E, G, B. Okay, so this is chord 1-7. And all these chords will last on one whole bar. As you can see, there's a line holding this chord for entire bar. So this one is a F. So F count 7 step is E. So F, A, C, E. So after writing all these chords, I'll explain to you how to use imitation technique in this question. Now this is a B. The bass note is B. B count 7 step is A. So this is a B, D, F, A. Okay, so this is a chord 7-7. And next, this is E, and there's a sharp. When there's no number next to the sharp, meaning the third note from bass has a sharp, meaning this is a E. E count 3 step is G. So this is a G sharp. And an E count 7 step is a D. So from here, you know this is a E, G, B, D. E, G, B, D, and the G sharp is back. So very obvious that this can be A minor chord 5-7. Okay, next, this is A. A count 9 step is B. So this is a A, C, E, G, B, which is a chord 1 with a 9 note. And 6 means this bass note is the middle note of the chord. So if C is the middle note, the root will be A. Okay, then the fifth note will be E. So this is the A, C, E, chord 1. And next one is A plus 7 note is a G. So this one is like A, C, E, G. And I will explain why this G has no sharp later on, but it's still in A minor. And over here, there is a D. So this is a D, F, A. So this is a chord 4. Then this one 6, meaning this, when you see 6, meaning the bass note D is the middle note. So we fill in the root is B. So this is a B, D, F, which is a 2B. And this is the E. E count 6 step, E, F, G, A, B, C. It's a C. E count 4 step is A. So this is the A, C, E. And because the E is at the base. Okay, so this is a 1C. And then this is a E count 5 step is B. E count no number, that means it's the third note from E. So E, F, G. So this is a G sharp, meaning E, G sharp, and B. So this is a E, G, B chord, which is a chord 5. And then go to 1, A, C, E, A, N with a perfect cadence. Now let's observe the melody here. This melody played by flute 1. And here they want to have a crotchet note. Okay, so after that, when come to the bar 5, they after this suspension they always have a melody, so you need to imitate this melodic shape in bar 5. Okay, so over here you can imitate this style over here. Okay, so let's take this as a pattern X. Okay, then this is a pattern Y. Okay, so imitation meaning you have alternative writing between X and Y. So if this is a D, this is a C, then you need a F. So this F, you can follow the pattern Y over here, which is octave apart. So you can do this F, F, F. Okay, so this is the pattern Y. Okay, then after that, the next bar, they want the X to come here and Y to go up. As you can see, then you want you to join with some quiver notes melody. So you can follow this shape going down and then go up a fifth. Okay, so over here you can also do the same thing. F, E, B, C, B, F. Okay, so if this is the pattern X, then the flute one will be pattern Y, which is this one, 3 crotchet beat. Okay, so alternatively, we will continue to do this. B, B, B. So next, when pattern Y come to flute number 2, pattern X, will this melody will go up to flute number 1. And this is what you can do. Okay, so this is the C, E, then the B, the 7th note is important. So I put a B over here. So 7th note must go down, like follow this melodic shape with interval, same interval between the notes. Okay. Here not enough space, I erase this. Okay, so this is the pattern X. So next, you will go down to flute number 2. I also copy this. This is the F, A, C, E. So F with an E here. So the top note you can put A. Okay, so you have F, A, and E. So all the important notes are in F, A, and E. Then over here you copy the melodic shape pattern X. Okay, so this is called imitation technique. They take turn to play the melody. Okay, bar 4 is flute 1, bar 5 is flute 2, bar 6 is flute 1, and then and so on. And so this one continue to write the pattern X, A, A, A. Okay, so next the melody will go to flute 1 in the next bar. So B and A over here. So the D will be in the middle line. Continue, next one. E, G, B, D. So the important note is E and D. And then your G must be here because the D, the middle line just now was the D. So the middle line here, you can continue using the same note. D. Okay, so copy the pattern X, the melodic shape from pattern X, D, C, B, A, G sharp, D. Okay, here you have E, here you have G sharp. I think it will sound nice. You can put a B so that it has a full chord. Okay, coming to the next one. No more imitation here. As you can see, the chord doesn't hold for one whole bar over here. It's one chord per beat. So we just need to fill in the important notes over here. A, C, E, G, B over here. So A and B are important notes. So we have A, C, then the ninth note B must appear above this important note, above this chord. Then after that, A, C, E, the root note is missing. So I put A over here. After A, the G is important note. A is important note. So I have an A here. So I want the G to be up here because that is the nearest. And then A, and then the top line, I can put an E, or I can put C. Anyway, I choose C because C sound nicer. The third note, if you choose the third note, it will sound nicer. Next one, D, F, D, D. Okay, the top note I can put F because that's the nearest. Okay, the reason why the G got no sharp is because when in melodic form, in melodic minor form, we don't raise the 7 and 6 note when it go down. Okay, when you write a melody during this exam, you need to use melodic form. So when 7 and 6 note go down together, we don't raise them. Okay, if you want to know more about the rules about melodic writing, you can refer to my video last time that talk about this melodic minor writing rules. Okay, so this one D, E, D, and let's say I repeat the D, and the top line I can put F, D, which are chosen from the chords. Okay, these notes are chosen from the chord. So between F and B, I can add a passing note E. Next one is B, D, F. So B is the root note, which is really important. So I choose B over here, okay, which is quite near to this. B, D, and this is a minor chord. As you know, minor chord is more gentle in sound and has darker tone color. So we can double the middle note B, D, D. Next one is A, C, E. So after B, I go down to A, which is the nearest. Okay, so please remember the root note must be there above the main chord. So you have A, you have E, then the top you can put a C so that you get a full harmony over here. Next one is E. Okay, A go down to G sharp is the nearest, and also because this is a tonic leading note. And later on, this leading note we will resolve to tonic. And then if leading note resolve to tonic, the supertonic, which is a B. Okay, you have E, G sharp, B. This B will also go to tonic. Because this is a perfect cadence, when this question ends with a perfect cadence, all three instruments will end at tonic note at the end. Okay, so this is very important. Don't forget this. Okay, so over here you have a satisfying ending at 5-1, 7-1, and 2-1. Okay, so that's all for today. So I will circle this. Okay, so this melody shape is being imitated here. And then after that, it pass to flute 1, and then pass to flute 2, and then go back to flute 1, and then it goes to flute 2. Okay, so these are called imitation. After that, you go back to a normal trio sonata writing. Okay, so next time if you encounter a question like this, I hope you can detect the imitation technique in your exam questions. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for attending the lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.